Hello everyone, welcome to another lovely episode from Forex House. Okay, so this is a November analysis being released on the 19th of November 2024. So this recording was made on the 18th. This is my prediction, for the current price action of the markets since it's a new week. I'm sharing the analysis currently on Telegram, but I decided to do a little breakdown to give an insight to, this most recent description I'm having here, so you guys can have an idea on what I mean when you see things like this. Okay, so this is AUDUSD 2 hours time frame. I'm currently breaking down the internal structure which I'm identifying with these blue dots. Currently we have a break of this resistance area, that created this internal structure. All right, so we have a change of character, which means the structure is changing direction. So we have two areas of interest, the bullish one and the bearish one over here. This is being supported by the internal structure from the previous bearish trend, while this is internal structure movement coming in from within this range. Okay, so I'm expecting a bounce off from here, having a break and retest of this resistance level. And also we have a supply zone above it. So it's basically saying this is a very, very, very significant area where price could bounce off. Okay, so on that as well, we could see this bounce of not really having much momentum and price goes bullish, just having a little reactions to this area, which is the reason why you're seeing something like this. Okay, so this means that price might not go that deep, to give a retest from this area of interest. It might not, and then we could see price just heading up straight to clear out these internal highs, maybe to create an even bigger structure, pullback. Right, so which would be a short-term bullish trend. you know. But this is all predictions. And what we have multiple lows which were created here. There's every possibility as well that we could see price swiping out all these lows, something like this before price goes back up. But this is all predictions, okay? This is just an insight for you to know what to expect within the week we are in right now. This is Tuesday by the day of the release. I'm recording on Monday. And let me give you guys an insight also on EURUSD. I also shared the chat on the Telegram community. If you're new, you could check the description. The community is free. The link is available, and you have so many traders of different methods as well sharing their insights and analysis for you. Okay, so maybe you don't see my analysis every day, but you have a lot of very, very good analysts within the community that would love to share, their ideas and their communities with you. So the link is in the description. You can join us there. And this is my prediction for EURUSD. As you can see, it's similar to what we have on AUDUSD. The difference is that on EURUSD, we are closer to the bullish area of interest, which is also being supported by an internal structure, which is a change of character from the previous bearish trend we had last week. Okay, so this high is a supply zone, possibly where price could bounce off before giving a retest here, or a continuation area for the bearish trend, something like this. This is all possible, okay? Or we could see price deciding to clear out these highs, like something like this, before going back down, creating a little bit of liquidity to induce these highs. This is all speculations, but this is a very, very significant area where we could see price doing something like that, okay? So this is pointing out that this is an internal structure. Coming off this bigger swing structure you see identified with the blue dots. Okay, so this is an internal structure of that. The red dot is identifying the counter structure, the counter bullish structure that was created while price was doing some retracement. So this is still a corrective price action, as you can see. And this is showing that the market might be going bullish, expecting a new bullish turn, or we might be having liquidity being built for a new bearish rally. And at the same time, as you can see, we have similar charts on Euro USD and AUD which means this is signifying that DXY is the major influence of this current movement as of now. So which means it could be a bullish one, having all USD related pairs reacting to this same price action. Let's see if we have similar on GBP USD. As you can see, it's similar as well. Okay, GBP is almost breaking out of an internal structure we have here. Okay, so once we have this high cleared out, this could be signifying a possible bullish run in the future, something like that. And this would be wake off, it just basically completing it off. But at the same time, it could still signal a stop hunt before this happens. But this is kind of saying there's a possibility we might be seeing some bullish run. But all these are speculations. As you can see, price hasn't really broken out of any major structures on GBP/USD, which means price could still turn around from here. And then the trend continues to go bearish. So this is something you could keep an eye on, based on what you have from your own personal analysis and research, and see what you can make out for the week. Okay. I will do one for AUDUSD, and then that will be all. You could join the community for chat screenshot and stuff like that. We have all these chats available on the Telegram community. The link is in the description. We have multiple ebooks. I just recently released an ebook on Elliott Wave, our volume 2. Is very, very interesting. I'm saying I just released it because the video was released after I released the ebook. But you have to check it out. Wave analysis helps you to understand a lot of things about the market movement, especially when it comes to corrective and impulsive price actions. Okay, so I had all those stuff simplified and broken down on the ebook thanks to AI tools and stuff like that. So it made it very, very easier for me. And we had so many guys also who are currently working with us as a community. And we are all putting hands together to get stuffs in more and very, very valid quality. So shout out to you guys. Ellie also helped me out in clarifying some stuff on the ebook. And some of the guys who are currently on Instagram sharing educative reviews also did help me in putting together this ebook in the aspect of reviews. So you can go and check it out so you can learn some insights on how to understand movements like this, stuff like this. It's very, very easy and helpful. This is identifying the current wave. If you do read the ebook, you would understand some of the principles are met strictly on what I just identified for you, and this is something that could also help you a lot to understanding why this is shorter than this, longer, stuff like that. But in all, LOTF is a very, very useful strategy, and it can also give you insight to understanding the trend. I'm going to be creating a series, for LOTF as well, just like how we have for Wyckoff. So you can enjoy that as well and, learn from that. So this is what we have on gold weekly time frame. I made an analysis that price might be mitigating this weekly order block very soon, which is what we had last week. We're currently having a reaction from this breaker block, and I'm expecting price to bounce off this. Okay, so I'm expecting a bearish return, then something bullish to go for the long run. But this is on the weekly time frame, and sorry, on the daily time frame. And that's all I have for now. I don't have any breakdown for anything lower. I have to see what price has to say within the week, maybe clear out these highs, mitigate the fair value gap here, and then maybe a little bearish trend to continue the markets. But that will be within the week on the Telegram community. So you can join us and get more analysis like this. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.